Emakosini bokoko nabomkhulu, I welcome you back to my channel. Nizongixolela abantwana bethonga ne. Mangikhuluma isiZulu kunabantu who can hear me abangifollowishayo, probably abakhuluma isiSuthu or abakhuluma amanye language from other countries. Mangikhuluma isilungu bese kube nalawo ma comment ukuthi ukukhulumelani isilungu ngoba into zesintu zidinga isilungu. Omunye wathi I even doubt that angeke ngikubize ngogogo, mina ugogo ukhuluma isilungu. Then I laughed, then I was like, child, I'll do me. But anyways, ngizophendula umbuzo lana kamuntu obuza othi gogo, umuntu onenzuza uyathwala yini na? Guys, there's no good or bad question. A question is a question. Ubuza ngoba ufuna ukwazi, right? And I'm happy that ubuzile, because a lot of people don't want to ask about this, and this is very important. As a Inzuza child, do not even attempt in your wildest dreams ukuthwala. Mtaka daddy nanoma bathi kunesithwalo se1 randi sizokupha ama-million, do not. Nanoma bathi iSouth Africa yonke ifoli line bayalapha, do not attempt. Yabona moyenza njalo uzobe wena uyazibulala, wena uzobe uzibulala mtaka daddy. Sokuculela amagugu thina abanye sizoza sithenga ingubo ezintsha ezimnyama, sizoza nkosami, sizodla ukudla kwamahala, sizoza nje, sizoza sithi lala ngoqolo. Hey, ngoba uzibulale kwa wena, awubulalwanga umuntu ngoba wena uthanda izinto. Angisho ukuthi the person asking lo mbuzo uthanda izinto, I'm just saying like ngoba ngiyenza ivideo, yabo. Now awuthwali mntana Inzuza ihamba nenhlanzeko. You must be clean, you must be pure, ayizwane nokunqola. So do not attempt. Isithwalo, it's a no. You never twala, not even, do not try it. You must always be clean, you must always be pure, you must always be forgiving. And emangithi uzofafi uzobulawa yona self izofika ithi kaka. But anyways, angidinge ukunithusa kodwa unfortunately ngisho iqiniso, and I'm trying ukusho neqiniso with a sense of humor ukuthi abantu bangathu, because mangafika ngathi abantu bazovele baculeke. Awuthwali momntana Inzuza, awuthwali mtaka dad, awuthwali. Like ngiyacela please, I don't know, ngicela ni commenteni lapho kuma comment section nisho ukuthi gogo sikuzwile noma ngesilungu we heard you. Ngiyacela ngoba le ibalekile, ngiyancenga mawumazi ozama ukuyenza le nto anenzuza, angalokothi. Amen. Emakhosini leselikhanya xamakundawe.